Good morning, local news for Tuesday the 3rd of October. Greytown has been selected as a finalist in a national competition for the most beautiful town in New Zealand with a population less than 5,000. The winner will be announced on Friday the 13th of October at a gala dinner in Hastings. Emergency services were called to Kiriwhakapapa yesterday morning after a crash involving a truck, car and truck and trailer. Fortunately, there were no major injuries, but the car apparently is a write-off. A possum control contract is underway that will run until June 2018. The project covers Homewood and Riversdale areas and runs from Whareama in the north, east of Stranraer and ends before Flat Point in the south. The contract is being coordinated by TB Free New Zealand. And softball begins this weekend for the Giants. There'll be 2 games at South Park. The Kiripiti Tavern Prem 3s play Stokes Valley at 1, while the Kiripiti Tavern Prem 2s play Dodgers at 2:30. For Wairarapa Local News, I'm Brent Gare.